Let's compare the Patagonia Black Hole 25-liter backpack to the larger 32-liter backpack, side by side. Although these two bags do have a lot in common, this comparison is going to reveal 7 small details and hidden features that show you why the Black Hole 32-liter is more than just a size upgrade. But first, let's compare the size and fit. It's no secret that the 32-liter Black Hole is going to be the bigger bag. It's not only taller in height, but the 32 also has more depth and will stick out more when you wear it. Here is a better side-by-side view, and here you can really see the extra depth on the 32-liter. But this leads us to small detail number 1. The back panel padding area are the same exact measurements, and this is the area that will sit on your back when you wear it. Both bags also use the same exact padded shoulder straps, and both have removable chest straps for better weight distribution. So comfort-wise, both backpacks are going to feel very similar when worn. Now, what about pockets? Now, both backpacks do have the same number of pockets, but this leads us to small detail number 2, and that's the size of the side pockets. These stretchy pockets can both fit smaller 24-ounce bottles and even larger 40-ounce water bottles, but the side pockets on the 32 are insane. Here we managed to fit an entire thermos, and it even fits those massive 40-ounce tumblers with a handle. The Black Hole 32 has one of the biggest and stretchiest water bottle pockets we've ever seen. Just as impressive is the top pocket. Both bags will have a top pocket with a small key leash, but this pocket on the 32-liter is also a lot bigger. You can fit pouches, sunglasses, a phone, and even a large pair of headphones in this top pocket. But on the 25-liter, the top pocket can only fit smaller items, like a phone and sunglasses. And finally, there is a big, hidden vertical pocket that both bags share in the front. Not that much of a difference here. Now, check out small detail number 3. The zipper on the 32-liter goes down further, allowing you to open up the main compartment a lot wider. You'll see in a minute, when we start packing these bags, why this makes a huge difference. Inside, both backpacks are going to give you a large mesh pocket for organization. It's just that the 25-liter Black Hole has it on the opposite side. This is because the 25-liter Black Hole has a laptop sleeve inside the main compartment. This leads us to one of the biggest differences, and that's the location of the laptop sleeves. The 32-liter has a completely separate laptop compartment in the back. A 15-inch laptop is what Patagonia says can fit inside these bags. But here is detail number 4. The laptop compartment on the 32-liter is a little bit bigger and can easily fit a 15.6-inch PC, or even a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So if you have those slightly bigger laptops, you're going to want to go with the 32-liter Black Hole. The good news is that both Black Hole backpacks have false bottoms and are very well padded, so both offer a good amount of protection. Before we get into detail number 5, let's take a look at what fits inside each backpack. If you want to use these bags for school, you can see how both fit large folders, binders, and notebooks just fine. But the 32-liter will have space for an extra jacket or more books. There is also room on top for cases and pouches, and the 32-liter is going to have more room for those extra items. For travel, you can expect to fit a pair of shoes and 1 to 2 changes of clothes in the 25-liter, or a pair of shoes and 3 to 4 changes of clothes in the 32-liter, depending on how you pack. Both Black Hole models do well with bulky items, like a lunchbox or a camera cube. So if you have bulkier items, you should be fine with either. And again, packing is a bit easier on the 32-liter because of that wider zipper, while the 25-liter Black Hole functions more like a bucket. It can feel like a game of Tetris because of how you have to stack items on top of each other. Now let's reveal the last few small details that you absolutely have to know about. Both bags have top grab handles, but in the front, the 25-liter has a vertical grab handle that blends into the row of webbing, while the 32-liter gives you a horizontal handle and 2 rows of webbing. This leads to detail number 5. The horizontal handle is actually easier to use, allowing you to grab both top handles at the same time. Small detail number 6 is a bit of a hidden feature. The 2 rows of webbing actually allows you to add bungee cord to the front to expand your storage. And now you have a way to attach jackets and other items to the Black Hole 32. Finally, the last detail has to do with the bottoms. We found that the 32-liter has no problem standing on its own when packed full, but the 25-liter leaves a lot to be desired. It really has trouble standing up on the ground. And you're probably wondering what this back panel handle is. Well, it's a luggage sleeve to attach the Black Hole to rolling luggage, and both bags have them. So how do you choose between these 2 Patagonia Black Hole backpacks? Well, it's pretty easy. Go with the 25-liter if you want a smaller backpack with a more compact footprint when you wear it. The 25-liter is still great Patagonia quality and will get the job done just fine. But the Black Hole 32-liter is somewhat of a different beast. Not only does it give you more packing room, but the small details makes it feel like a real upgrade. So if you're on the fence, you might just want to go with the Black Hole 32-liter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And as always, thank you so much for watching.